Hello friends. Welcome back to our channel. I am your React.js instructor and my name is Kumaresh. Thank you for connecting with us. Hope you are doing well. Let's start our today's session. Throughout this tutorial, we are going to learn how to use the for loop in React. While writing the loops programmatically, React follows the JavaScript syntax. We will demonstrate the for loop with a live example. First, we will define an array in React.js with a set of values. After that, display the values in web page using for loop. This is the syntax of for loop in JavaScript. Let's start with the demonstration. First, we will change the header title of the home page as we are demonstrate the for loop in React. Checking the same is reflected in web. Now define an array as nameer of type constant and assign multiple values. This way we can define any array in React.js. We need to define the loop and store all the array values in a variable which will be used for display purpose. So, here we will define an empty variable as Testing-me. Let's define the for loop to read each of the array elements. The variable I is acting as the counter variable. Here, the initial counter value is 0 and the loop will be continued till the counter value is less than the length of the array. In the body of the for loop, we will append each of the array elements into the variable Testing-me. Also, we have added a space while appending the array items. The counter variable I denotes the index of the array. The definition of loop structure is now completed. We will write the variable displayname in the return statement within div tag. The variable should be written within curly brackets. This statement will print the extracted array elements in the web page. Save the project to auto-compile and view the web page. The array elements are showing perfectly here. Thanks for watching this video. That's all about usage of for loop in React.js. We will learn more about React in upcoming videos.
Please visit our website lambdageeks.com for more articles on technology, engineering, mathematics, and various other domains. You can check our other website as well. We have features like YouTube Trends, Twitter Trends, Scientific Calculator, and many more other tools. If you like our video, please like, comment and share. If you have any questions, please comment and we will resolve your query.